watching psychology videos.
Okay. All right, so this is another proof from chapter 5, dealing with exterior angles and interior angles and stuff like that. So here we have this triangle, and this tells us that AC bisects BAD, so this is a bisector of this angle. And we're trying to prove that AD, this long side here, is greater than CD. All right, so if we kind of work backwards from what we're trying to prove, we can see that AD, if we want to prove that that's bigger than CD, then with what we've been learning in this chapter, we can see that what we're going to end up trying to prove is that angle 3 is greater than angle 2. And then we already know, because this is a bisector, that angle 1 and angle 2 are the same. And then, if you notice that angle 3 is an exterior angle to this triangle, you'll be able to show that angle 3 is bigger than angle 1. So if you can show that angle 3 is bigger than angle 1, you can show that it's bigger than angle 2, and therefore AD has to be longer than CD. All right, so if you think about what you're trying to do before you start, you can kind of figure out where you're going. But we always start with given, so the first thing we're going to say is that AC bisects angle BAD, and that's given. All right, and the reason, why would they tell us it bisects except that they want us to say that angle 1 equals angle 2. So angle 1 equals angle 2 because a bisector splits the angle into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. All right. And we know that, and we can look at angle 3, which is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So I can say that angle 3 is greater than angle 1. And so an exterior angle is greater than a remote interior angle. All right, and since angle 3 is greater than angle 1, I can also say angle 3 is greater than angle 2, because angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, so I can just substitute angle 2 right here. So angle 3 is greater than angle 2 by substitution. And since angle 3 is greater than angle 2, I know that side AD must be longer than side CD. So AD is greater than CD because if two angles in a triangle are unequal, then the sides opposite those angles are unequal in the same order. So that's all there is to it.